Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best AI Kits is probably one of the most exciting advancements in pet technology. These innovative kits leverage artificial intelligence to enhance every aspect of your dog's life, from training and exercise to health monitoring and overall well-being. In this video, we'll dive into the world of AI kits for dogs, exploring how they work, what features to look for, and which ones are worth your investment. Number 5. Weewooday AI Dog Breeding Kit. This kit is designed for small dog breeds. It includes all the necessary tools for artificial insemination. This makes the process easier and more convenient. The kit contains items of appropriate sizes. The semen collection bags are 31 centimeters long. The catheters are 28.4 centimeters long, and the syringes are 10 milliliters. The gloves are large. The insemination catheter is made of PVC. The collection bag and syringe are plastic. The gloves are nitrile. These are all disposable products, ensuring hygiene. The catheter's tip is smooth and harmless. The collection cone has a non-slip matte surface. The gloves are smooth, keeping your hands clean during use. With this kit, you can perform up to 15 artificial breedings. It includes 15 collection bags, 15 catheters, 15 syringes, and 15 pairs of gloves. This provides everything you need. Both the insemination catheters and syringes are individually packaged. This ensures a safe and hygienic artificial insemination process. This design prioritizes the health of your pets. What we like. This kit is specifically designed for small breeds, ensuring a comfortable and effective breeding process. It includes all the necessary tools in appropriate sizes. If you have a small breed dog, this kit is perfect for you, providing everything you need for successful artificial insemination. What people say. Bought for AI with bulldog breeds. Works great. Great, used it with my French bulldog which is now pregnant. I'm a very small scale breeder and this was a perfect little kit. Number 4. Premium AI Dog Breeding Kit, Med LG Breed 3-Pack. Introducing the Premium AI Kit for Dogs. This kit provides everything you need for successful canine artificial insemination. It's designed for medium to large breeds. This kit is specifically designed for medium and large breed dogs. It ensures a comfortable and effective process. It's a reliable solution for breeders. The kit is incredibly easy to use, simplifying the artificial insemination process. It comes with clear instructions, making it accessible for everyone. You'll find it straightforward to use. This kit includes all the necessary supplies for canine artificial insemination. It eliminates the need to purchase items separately. Everything is included for your convenience. This is a 3-pack, providing multiple uses. It's a cost-effective solution for breeders. It ensures you have enough supplies on hand. What we like. This kit is designed for medium to large breeds, making the process straightforward. It includes all the necessary supplies for canine artificial insemination. If you are looking for a hassle-free kit for your medium or large breed dog, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Item was very well packaged and contained all items in the description. We used this kit for a 3-time AI. We are now 42 days pregnant and expecting a full litter at the end of the month. Number 3. AI Dog Breeding Kit for Large Breeds. This kit includes everything you need for artificial insemination. It provides all the necessary tools for successful breeding. This makes the process easier and more efficient. The kit contains catheters, centrifuge tubes, collection bags, dispensers, and disposable gloves. These components are essential for the procedure. This ensures a safe and effective breeding process. The insemination rods are made of high-quality, durable material. They are soft, smooth, and eco-friendly. The 360-degree bend design prevents easy breakage. The collection bags are made of quality material and are individually packaged. They are safe, sanitary, and designed to prevent leaks. The transparent design with a matte surface makes observation easy. The centrifuge tubes are made of polypropylene. They feature a smooth surface and a secure screw cap. These tubes are clearly labeled and have a standard capacity. The 5 ml dispenser is individually sealed for clean and safe use. It is expertly made from high-quality plastic for durability. This ensures accurate and reliable measurements. What we like. The kit features high-quality, durable, and soft rods for safe use. Each component is individually packaged, ensuring hygiene and safety. If you prioritize hygiene and need a complete, reliable kit, this is a great option. What people say. More than enough to use multiple times. Worked first time. 7 pups 1 AI. Yes, they are exactly what I was after, and it came quite quickly. Number 2. Good Harbor Canine AI Dog Breeding Kit. Introducing the Good Harbor Canine AI Breeding Kit. This kit is designed for artificial insemination in dogs. It's a premium solution for breeders. The kit is easy to use, making the breeding process more manageable. It's designed for convenience and efficiency. This kit comes in small, med LG, and X large breed sizes. You can choose the right size for your dog. This is a 3-kit pack. Each kit is individually packaged and sealed. These are premium AI kits specifically designed for dogs. They are made in the USA and are for animal and breeding use. What we like. This kit is designed for ease of use, making the process simple and efficient. Each kit is individually packaged and sealed, ensuring cleanliness. If you value convenience and prefer a product made in the USA, consider this kit. What people say. This is a great AI kit. It worked well with and was easy to use. Very easy to use. Great value. Worked perfectly. Number 1. Premium AI Dog Breeding Kit, Med LG Breed 10 Pack. Introducing a premium kit designed for canine artificial insemination. This kit provides everything needed for successful breeding, making the process easier. This kit is specifically designed for medium to large breed dogs. It ensures a comfortable and effective experience for the dogs involved. The kit is incredibly easy to use, simplifying the artificial insemination process. It's designed to be user-friendly, even for those new to dog breeding. It includes all the necessary supplies for canine artificial insemination. You won't need to worry about gathering extra items, it's all included. This pack contains 10 kits, providing ample supplies for multiple breeding attempts. It's a convenient and cost-effective solution for breeders. What we like. This kit is designed for medium to large breeds, making the process straightforward. It includes all the necessary supplies for canine artificial insemination. If you are looking for a hassle-free kit for your medium or large breed dog, and need more supplies, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Perfect, has everything you need. Great product. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.